If you got it fresh out of the box, this is the way it's supposed to work. 1. Turn on your TV. 2. Turn on your Fire TV device. 3. Put new batteries in your Alexa voice remote. 4. The Fire TV should detect the new remote and pair automatically. 5. If the remote does not pair automatically, press and hold the home button for up to 10 seconds. Of course, things don't always work the way they're supposed to, so if you're still having problems pairing your new remote, try setting it up with the Fire TV app on your mobile device, or by using an existing Fire TV remote. Now if you're using the Fire TV app, this method is easy, provided you've already installed the Fire TV app on your mobile device and have paired it to your Fire TV. 1. Turn on your TV. 2. Turn on your Fire TV device. 3. Put new batteries in your Alexa voice remote. 4. Bring your remote to within 10 feet of your Fire TV device. 5. Unplug your Fire TV device from its power source. 6. Plug the Fire TV device back into its power source. 7. Open up the Fire TV app on your mobile device. 8. Make sure your Fire TV app is already paired with your Fire TV device and navigate to the Settings tab at the top of the Fire TV home screen. 9. Navigate to Controllers and Bluetooth devices. 10. Select Amazon Fire TV remotes. 11. Select Add New Remote. 12. Select your new remote from the list and click to pair it. You can also repeat this process to pair additional new remotes. Using an older working remote, this method works like a charm if you already had an existing remote that you want to supplement or replace. 1. Turn on your TV. 2. Turn on your Fire TV device. 3. Put new batteries in your new Alexa voice remote. 4. Using your old Fire TV remote, navigate to Controllers and Bluetooth devices. 5. Select Amazon Fire TV remotes. 6. Select Add New Remote. 7. Select your new remote from the list and click to pair it. You can repeat this process to pair additional new remotes. That's it. Now you know how to pair a new Alexa voice remote with your Fire TV. Note that Fire TV only allows for pairing of up to 7 remotes. Seems like a lot to me, but this also includes Fire TV game controllers and the Fire TV app. Our top equipment picks the Fire TV platform as one of the most popular streaming platforms out there, and for good reason. It's easy to use, affordable, and works seamlessly with Amazon's content ecosystem, as well as that of other major players like Disney+, Netflix, and HBO. If your remote is on the fritz, pick up a spare Alexa voice remote, and if you want to catch all of your favorite over-the-air shows and sports, a Fire TV Recast is what you need. So long as your TV allows CEC control, and most modern ones do, this could very well be the only remote control you need. Turn your TV on, off, control the volume, and ask Alexa for a fun best rom-com or action flick. Additional equipment. Now that you have control over your TV content again, you may want to expand your viewing choices. Consider a Fire TV Recast to watch and record live, over-the-air TV when paired with a TV antenna and Fire TV device. Fire TV Recast, $280 at Amazon. Watch live TV or record your favorite shows to peruse later in your Fire or Echo Show device. Also, I got a little secret, folks. Amazon does fast shipping and has the lowest price. I just got one.